Hello everyone! Welcome back to architutors. Buckle up because today we're diving into ComfyUI, and trust me, it's gonna be winning. We're bringing you a quick, punchy tutorial on how to install and use the desktop version of ComfyUI. Whether you're brand new or already dabbling, this will get you running faster than a rock star on a Friday night. So let's dive in. First off, ComfyUI is your backstage pass to visual workflows. Image generation, video generation, even face swapping, all handled locally, right on your machine. No subscriptions, no gatekeepers, just pure open source freedom. And the best part, it doesn't demand a supercomputer. Beginner-friendly, lightweight, and totally free. That's what I call a win. Before we roll, make sure you've got Python 3.10 Plus and Git installed. If not, grab them from their official sites. Links are in the description. Download, click Next a few times, and boom, you're set. Now, open your browser and head to the ComfyUI GitHub page. Dave made life easy. No messy environment setup anymore. Just scroll to the download section, pick your OS, and hit install. You'll be asked how you want to run it. Got a GPU? Choose the first option. Running on CPU? Pick the second. Sit back, let it download, and you're golden. Fire it up and you'll see a clean interface. Toolbar on the left, big canvas in the middle, settings tucked neatly at the bottom left. It's like Photoshop meets Lego. Drag, drop, connect, create. Click New Workflow, right-click to add nodes, or grab a ready-made template from the Browse Templates menu. ComfyUI ships with 4 starter workflows: image generation, image to image, and more. Think of them as cheat codes to get you rolling. And if you want more, the community's got your back. Sites like OpenArt are packed with shared workflows you can download and remix. Let's load up stable Diffusion 3.5. Download the model from Hugging Face, drop the files into the right folders. Checkpoints for models, clip for clip files. Restart ComfyUI, drag in the workflow template, and you're ready to roll. Type in a prompt like a noble princess in a gown, realistic style. Hit Q and watch the magic unfold. Progress bar at the top, results on the right. Speed depends on your rig, but the output, pure fire. Imported a workflow and missing files? No sweat. Hit Manager, install missing custom nodes, and ComfyUI will fetch what you need. Easy fix, no drama. And that's it. You've just installed, set up, and run ComfyUI like a pro. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your questions in the comments. We'll get back to you faster than you can say tiger blood. By the way, if you're an architect or interior designer, don't miss our ComfyUI tutorial playlists. We've got step-by-step guides on building workflows tailored for design projects. Perfect for turning ideas into visuals without breaking the bank. See you next time. Stay creative, stay winning.